morning, everybody. Well, it's been a while. Yeah, I'm still around. Thanks, Lord. Well, I'm down here in Iowa 80. Now, finalizing my load termination was completed approximately today in the afternoon. Everything, actually yesterday afternoon it was terminated, and I am sitting right down here in Iowa the next day. So pretty much I'm done. And guess what? I already got my load and I'm ready to go. Yes, sir, I already got the load and I am ready to go. This is a great spot. I've never been here before and I love it. Look at this place. That's the Iowa 80. I saw some cool stuff in there. Actually, I'm gonna go in. That's Iowa 80 right there. Can you see it? I can't get it. Zoom in. I gotta get a brand new camera. Well, anyway, listen, I'm gonna go in and I just got my thing here, my big rig here scaled out, and I'm gonna go in and check it out. What's the total weight? I don't want to be like really, you know, jinxing it. I just want to make sure, because I got a feeling the guy just loaded everything up and he stuck everything into my trailer. So just want to double check. Everything else is fine. I mean, everything's cool. Everybody's doing all right. Got in touch with a couple of guys, friends of mine, and everything went well. I think I'm going to pull up again. Somebody's back. Well, did you hear that? They got some real nice chrome shop in here, and that's where we're going right now. Iowa 80. Well, why don't you guys wait for me inside? Let's see what's going on. Check out this truck, no? Does not even have a single dirt on it. Whoa, this is cool. America the beautiful. Yeah, I believe in that. America's beautiful. Like a mega beautiful. And we have to work on it. This is awesome. It's called a Super Truck Showroom. That is cool, man. That is cool. Check this out inside. That's outside. Hey, what's up? Got some. Oh, all right. Got some. I need some lights here. Let me see what kind of lights I can get for myself. Oh, that is cool. $315 a piece. So I'm gonna tell my boss to get one. Can't believe how much painting there is on this truck. Awesome. Look at this. Damn, it's cool. This is strange. I used to own one of these and I gave it to someone as a gift. This is the Outback Trail coat. Pretty cool. Oh, sheepskin. Wow, this is nice. What? $119? Wow, that's cool. I have an idea with this thing. Oh, right here we got boots. Some bags. Interesting. I got a whole bunch of collection of them, so I don't need it. Let's go around and check what's up. Yeah, it looks nice. Somebody broke the handrest. Well, if that's not the handrest, then it's something else. Here we got some lights, really nice ones. Yeah, maybe I should have this on top of the hood. Well, guys, guess what? I'm gonna be here. Truck-a-Buck is gonna be here. Iowa 80, actually. There's gonna be a truck show here. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be wobbling and mumbling and jumboing. This place is gonna be kicking. I tell you. Somebody told me, look at these boxes. Now there you go. Here's a selection of boxes. You've been looking for some, right? trucker book, and here it is. That is so, it's gonna be, they told me that they're gonna have so much fun out here. All the trucks are gonna be here, everybody's gonna be here, and guess what? I'm gonna make sure that I'll be here 2 days before the party begins. So I'm gonna find out where I'm gonna park, and I'm gonna stay here and watch the show. Well, now I just came up upper part of this place down there. See that? Those are nice knives. Awesome. Chinese stars. Ninja. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Oh, it's cool. Nice craftsman. Oh, I love this. Look at that. Let's see if I can get something for my little boy. Got some nice trucks here. This is one awesome place. Well, I'm treating myself some salad, meatloaf, and some mashed potatoes. This is nice. Nice and cold.